saying every day is going to be Clash Royale 2, and I'm telling you why to not buy metal fidget spinners, which is also known as Lamborghini fidget spinners. I'm almost done eating right now. I'm almost done. Why to sometimes not buy Lamborghini fidget spinners? You can still buy them, but these are some reasons not to buy them. Yeah, let me just put my stuff away. Just stay there for a second. Okay, I'm back. Sorry that took long. I gotta put this back here.
Oh my god, you know what we could do, Mom? We could bag the rest of these that are fried, freeze them.
Why to never buy metal fidget spinners?
So we have like already fucking
One,
fried fish.
number
That's fucking awesome.
Because you can't, well, you can buy them, but this is the one reason why not why to not. It's because they ship really easily. I had to sell it to my friend for $5. I had to sell my.
For $5 too.
Yeah, Austin. Yeah, I had to sell it to him for $5 because it was so chipped, and it was a Lamborghini one.
So why didn't you let him have it? Chipped?
Yeah, it was chipped.
Well, then you still can fix it up.
How?
Take it. Let it go.
So yeah, you can chip it. That's number one. Number two. Ow! Crap. Number two. Ow.
Can I please have my...
Two. It's because if you bring it to school, I know this is gonna happen. If you bring it to school and you let some of your friends try it, they're just gonna do this instantly. I know they're gonna do that instantly. Then it's gonna fall like that. So you don't want that to happen, and people please that. That's how my Lamborghini fidget spinner even got so noisy. That's how. Number 3.